Cancer, motherfuckers. Now that I have your attention, this is interesting. So this is a new device that just hit the market. It was created by an ex-NASA engineer. And he has a channel, you can look it up, EMF Beacon. I'm not getting paid for this. But he sells a bunch of products that you can buy to protect your shit against an EMP. If you don't know what an EMP is, well, you can go scare yourself by looking on YouTube and then realize how close that we could just get wiped out as a civilization because of a pulse, either from the sun or from a nuclear blast. Either one, we're overdue. So, point is, this guy created this device to check for radiation, but not the ionizing radiation, the radioactive shit, but more along the lines of microwave radiation. You know, like, so here's a little fact, okay? So, your microwave here, right? It's, let's say 700 watts, right? This, turn it on. Give it like 3 minutes. Okay, it's running 6 minutes. It's supposed to be sealed. The microwaves are too big to fit through these little holes. The microwave's like, you know, a couple inches long or whatever. In reality, it won't fit. It's not supposed to leak, okay? And this is not a microwave leak detector. But this little device, what it does is these little black chips on top are antennas that receive a microwave frequency and turn it directly into power, which in the middle of the board is an LED. Well, let's go check along. Interesting. I see a light. Oh, there. The microwave just turned on. It's off. And give it a minute. It'll turn back on again. There it is. It's on. And it's interesting because you can see when the magnetron tube turns on and off, on and off. You know, it's not on constantly. But what's more concerning is the fact that this damn thing is leaking. You don't want to be too close. So let's turn the light out and see, you know, at a distance how far you have to be from this thing. Too close, too close, too close. Okay, so you know, that's how far you need to stay away from this. Oh, no, wait. I'm still getting fried here. Fuck this. So what's the big deal? Well, stop this piece of shit. What's the big deal? Well, okay. That's 700 watts. It operates about 2.4 gigahertz. Okay? Okay, fine. And I'm still getting beamed. And what it's doing is the 2.4 gigahertz radio frequency is vibrating the molecules of the water. It's already hot, by the way. Shit. And it's vibrating it, causing friction, which is causing the water to heat up. Okay, great. See steam coming up. So what's the big deal? Just turn it on and step away. No, it's not that easy. Somewhere along the line, some dipshit, I guess you'd say, engineer, sorry, at the IEEE, you hear me, decided they want to make Wi-Fi routers. And Wi-Fi routers operate on two frequencies. One of the frequencies is 2.4 gigahertz. What the hell? Okay, so what's this? A low power microwave? Yeah. Shit. How far you gotta be back? Okay, not too bad, but you know, see the distance before you start getting irradiated. Yeah, so I find it really completely interesting that these fuckers purposely chose 2.4 gigahertz for, you know, out of all the millions and millions of frequencies that you have in the spectrum, they had to pick 2.4 gigahertz. You know, no, it's not going to heat you up like a cup of tea, but who knows if that shit isn't going to cause cancer in low doses 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Think about it. Why the fuck did they pick 2.4 gigahertz? I want to know. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments, because I think it was intentionally done to kill us. I mean, you could have picked any other frequency, 900 megahertz. You could have picked 1 gigahertz or whatever. There's plenty of frequencies open. Don't tell me that was the only one open. Now, here's something even more interesting. Bluetooth. Guess what? That operates at 2.4 gigahertz too. And that is directly in your ear. So, yeah, it sounds like a conspiracy to me, or intentionally planned to kill us, or something. There's some motive there, because they could have picked it. The new Wi-Fi's are 5 point something gigahertz. I'm sure this will pick up that as well, because that's still in the microwave range. So we're being blanketed by low energy microwave radiation, which may not heat you up like a cup of tea, but God knows it may be causing cancer everywhere. And am I getting rid of my Wi-Fi router, my Bluetooth? No. But I am remaining aware of that shit by getting this small device here. This is not a microwave leak detector. This is an RF meter that looks for just above the threshold of, like, yeah, not good in microwave radiation. Not a Geiger counter. Doesn't detect ionizing radiation. Doesn't detect, you're not getting anything off the 60 hertz here. That thing right here, this induction cooktop, I guarantee it's going to go berserk. I'm going to try that later when I cook my dinner. But yeah, you can get this. Just look up EMF beacon. It's not really expensive. It took forever to get here, but that's okay. It's only a limited amount of runs he's going to make them, and then who knows. Doesn't have any batteries, so it should last forever unless it gets fried by something. I think that's pretty smart design. Ew. Smart design, gotta give him credit. It's pretty cool. Let's talk about this crap here. This is gross. That's rice left over from yesterday. Anyway, thanks for watching. Any questions, put them in the link, and stay away from your microwave and Wi-Fi router.